sa ato ang mga amigo, mga higala, mga supporters, sa ato ang mga media, mga amigo, friends from the media, sa ato ang umaabot na Governor, Victorio Babies Way Baguio. Kanatong tanan, maayong buntag! Nagsugod ko sa ako ang panerbisyo sa gobyerno 2007 at the age of 27. Ang una na akong gunit sa mikropono ng guro. Nilabay na ang hapit na 9 years. Namugunit ako sa ako ang diploma isip 3-termer councilor. Punta, hindi na magkurong ng mikropono. Apan karong punta ka, pasaylo ako ninyo kung adunay instance na magkurong akong mikropono. Laban to ng puso, laban ng pamilya. I am running for the position as a congressman representing District 1 of the province of Davao del Norte as shown by my certificate of candidacy. While it appears that it is a spur-of-the-moment decision after my uncle, Vice Governor Babies Way Baguio, decided to run for governor of the province and could be said just to fill the gap, I declare with honor that this event is a manna of destiny. Truth to tell, when the opportunity knocks at my door for this position, I was ready to welcome it. I am on my last term as City Councilor of Tagum City, and by 9 years of experience as a legislator holding chairmanships of various important and standing committees of the 6th City Council, I believe I am not a stranger to tread the pathways of the House of Representatives as Congressman. My records with the 6th City Council of Tagum City speaks of my performance and industry to serve best the principles of good public service. I believe that my being young of age to this position is a big advantage because wala ko nalambigin sa unsamang korupsyon o iskandalo sa pagserbisyo sa gobyerno. I have shown my constituents in Tagum City, and hopefully, the people of the 1st District of Davao del Norte can attest that I have established and maintained the true quality of a public servant. Service that respect all, regardless of faith, religion, tribe, nor color, upholding utmost dedication and fairness to one and all. It has been the trademark of our name for 3 generations, from the first municipal mayor of the then municipality of Magugpo, in the person of the late Honorable Manuel Bauras Way Baguio Sr., the first city mayor of Tagum, in the person of now our incumbent 3-termer Vice Governor and incoming Governor Victorio Babies Way Baguio Jr. And up to the time of my incumbency as 3-termer City Councilor, that we uphold and live by the principles of servants of the people with humility and simplicity, untarnished of whatever corruption in the government. We have maintained to preserve the trust and confidence of the people, neither not because of control of power nor influence of money, but the commitment, perseverance, and ultimate dedication to honesty, transparency, and good governance. I assure all my fellow citizens in the 1st District of Davao del Norte, if given the chance to serve, I shall continue, if not surpass, this kind of service if chosen as representative of the people. God bless us all. Maraming salamat po. Laban lang tayo, laban ng pamilya. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.